One area where Nanobox really shines is the ease at which you can add SSL TLS certificates to your application to encrypt requests and serve your traffic over HTTPS. So let's look at how Nanobox does this. So with our app that's running, we head over to the Network tab, and then we click on SSL TLS certificates. So here we can add a new SSL TLS certificate, and there's some instructions on what's about to happen that you can look over. But here I'm going to go ahead and just add a certificate for the Nano app domain, and let's say that this is no apply at nanobox.io, organization Nanobox Inc., department demo, and then the location. So just fill out the information here for this this form, and then we create the certificate. And so now that we have this certificate kind of created, we need to create a bundle. So you only create the certificate once, and the certificate is just the information about you. But then the bundle is what actually creates the key pair and will generate the encryption. So we have 4 options. You can use Let's Encrypt, which is free, and that's what we'll use in this example. You can use a self-signed. You could also create a new third-party SSL, or you can import an existing third-party SSL. So because Let's Encrypt is free and it's and we've integrated natively into it, we'll go ahead and create a Let's Encrypt bundle. Okay, so now we can see that the bundle has been created. So to activate the bundle, which actually applies it to the firewall, we just click Activate. And here shortly, okay, it's been activated. So now if I go back over to my application and I prefix the domain with HTTPS, I can see that I now have encryption. And I can find information about this, that it is a valid certificate issued by Let's Encrypt. So from here on out, anytime I visit this application, it can be served over a fully encrypted, validated session with HTTPS. And one last note that I'll mention here with Let's Encrypt is that Nanobox will auto-renew the Let's Encrypt bundle for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to constantly go and renew that. It'll manage that all the way. And the last thing here before we wrap up is, if you start out with a Let's Encrypt bundle, you can create a new bundle later. Let's say you want to now do an official third party. You could actually create a third party and then activate that bundle, which will deactivate the existing bundle and reactivate the new one. So it's really flexible, really easy, and hopefully this gets you really excited, because I don't think that it's easy. It can be easier. The process takes just a couple of minutes, and it's really easy to do. So thanks for sticking with us to check that out. Encourage you to stay tuned. We have some really cool things coming up. Thanks.